So this morning I woke up and you know, I felt a burst of energy. However, you know, energy is always good, because if you need to be purposeful and you know, make an impact and really achieve what you want, you need energy. You know, some people will always be in a lull, boy, nothing go on for me, you know, I don't feel like do this. I'm not going to say that you're going to have energy all the time, you know.
That's true.
But for you to really achieve what you want, you need energy. You cannot achieve things on low energy.
That's right.
Right. You can't achieve things on low energy. It's not going to be as impactful as you want it. You may just be doing it and just tagging along. So I got up and I had a lot of things to do. From before I went to my bed last night, I knew I had a lot of things to do, but how was I going to create that energy for myself? To create energy, you also need to clear clutter. You need to clear your space. You know, think about it like you have a lot of old clothes in your closet, and you notice that once you clean your room, you clean up your space,
feels lighter.
You clean up your desk, anywhere you're there, you feel light and you just get that energy. So you have to know what feed your energy. Some people feed them energy with music, some people feed them energy with exercise, some people feed them energy with reading, or just sit on a whole and meds. Whatever it is, just remember that you need energy. And the thing about it is that if it is, you know, a lot of people say they want to achieve them goals and whatever. If you have a plan to achieve your goal and you're actually say, all right, we're in 2017 now. 2020 is just around the corner. 2025 is just around the corner. If you are going to be present and be relevant in those years to come, which is just three years for 2020 and 8 years for 2025, and you have goals, you better try remember that you need to get up and do the things that you want to do, and to do the things that you need to do, you need energy to do them. The thing, if you want to change, change cannot be achieved on low energy. You cannot say you want to get up and start a business, or you want to go to school, or you want to just, in terms of live life to the fullest. You cannot live life on low energy. You are merely existing if you do that. So to change, to live, to be purposeful and impactful, you better get up, get the right energy, know what feeds your energy, and play in this game of life. Else you're just going to be barely existing. Have a good day.